Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have my beautiful friend Taza over here, and we're about
Wow.
So we're gonna do our unboxing of our January Boxycharm slash get ready with us. So
What do we do? Like, do we just open it and then we introduce each one of them, or do we just go?
we just go.
Okay.
Yeah. Alright. We should get started. I'm gonna start with the brows.
You start with the brows?
Yeah. Because it takes 30 minutes for me to do my brows.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
30 minutes?
Yeah. So we have the It Cosmetics brow powder. No, brow power.
I started with the Luminizer primer.
Yeah.
That they have.
And how much is this?
I don't use primer.
The eyebrow pencil is $24. And the primer is $38. So
That's a lot. That's expensive for a
yeah.
primer.
I mean, it's a good thing for like $21.
I bet you I can finish before you. I'm just saying. I've been in the game longer than you have.
I don't really use brow
Pencil?
pencil. I
I
use
don't either.
pomade. So I'm like,
I was iffy about this too. I was like, okay. But I guess I'll try it out.
Okay, so now I'm gonna use the Dr. Brandt Luminizer Primer, and this one is $38.
Oh! I already put mine on.
God.
Oh my gosh, my eyebrows are so uneven.
I don't care, mine is uneven either. Alright, so for foundation, I'm gonna use my Neutrogena. Wait, it's not. Whatever. Yeah. It's the Neutrogena Healthy Skin Foundation.
I use my, what's that called? Body Shop foundation.
Both?
The matte clay. Yeah, it's two.
It looks like the L'Oreal Infallible, the new one.
I have Savannah and whatever.
So I'm gonna go with concealer. I'm gonna go ahead with my concealer. And I use the Maybelline Fit Me.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
With my concealer, I highlight. I don't conceal. Conceal, don't feel. Don't let them know. I got this Bare Mineral. It's the wrong shade. It's too light. I was so mad, but then I was like, you know what? I'll just use it as a highlight.
Okay, so I'm gonna set the face using the e.l.f. Perfect Finish HD powder. And she actually introduced me to this.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
So now I will bake.
Next, we're gonna start the eyeshadow with the Crown Jewel. Oh, I think it's Crown Jewel. Too close.
Look at my one. How far?
No, it's Crown. Oh, it's Crown Brush.
You have to tip it
Glam
down.
Metals.
Tip it down
Yeah,
there.
tip it down. Right here, and this is
The rock and roll. It's so,
yeah, it's a rock and roll palette, and it's $25.
It's so metallic. I don't even know what to. The only matte is the black.
Yeah, exactly. So we have to use another palette.
I don't like that.
I know, right?
Oh, you know what?
So before coming here, I watched Kathleen Light's video about this, and she used a different palette. I'm gonna use my Winklevoss palette from the previous Boxycharm.
Mine is this, my all-time favorite.
Hazel loves that.
Tarteus Pro. Dude, it's so good.
So we just zoomed in. No, we moved the camera.
Okay.
Or the phone. I'm just gonna set the
You know
eyeshadow.
what? I'm just gonna wing this because
That's how all beauty gurus do their makeup. Well, I'm not a beauty guru. Cannot understand a thing.
you don't claim your Filipino background? Hello,
I'm American.
Wow. Okay, American.
Are you done?
American.
Are you done?
Huh? Do I look done?
I might do like a cut crease.
Hindi ko cut crease, boy. Mala ka. I don't do that. It's too long. That's too much. That's too much work. Cut crease. Ugh, oh my gosh. So annoying.
How did you learn? Or like when did you start doing your makeup?
It progressed. So I started, what's that called? Freshman year, right?
Mm-hmm.
In high school. It started with just eyeliner, mascara, that's it.
Mm-hmm.
And then eventually, Mama gave me this old palette that she had.
Also, your mom started makeup. I feel like all our moms.
She gave me the eyeliner and stuff.
Okay.
And the mascara. And then eventually, what's that called? It just led up to the eyeshadow bitaw on the like the highlights. I did that. Eventually, it led to me owning concealer. And then concealer I would just spread it along my face. So that was like my foundation at the same time. And then because and then she ended up buying me this palette sa Amazon, cheap bitaw. It has different colors and all that stuff.
It doesn't matter actually.
And so then
I like how yours turned out. I might do something crazy then. Should I do punk? I should do punk.
do punked. Yeah. No, do like either. You know what you should
I'm gonna do rock on.
Rock on.
No, cause Rebel, it doesn't
It's
show.
low copper, yeah. Rock on is pretty good. I was debating on rock on too.
So I'm gonna do rock on, which is like this one right here. And you said
I used, what's this called? Heavy metal on my lids. And now I'm using the Wicked on the outer. Oh, they're having fun.
I don't know. I'm gonna add a little bit of the black metal.
I was gonna add that on my lower.
You know, I use the same brush.
For everything?
Yeah.
I don't do that. Especially if I'm using a darker shade than the other. I have one brush for my blender, my buffer.
Mm-hmm.
And then depending on what I'm doing on my lid, I usually just end up using my fingers. But I have a different one for that too. And then I have a different one for my darker shade. So it's all in one brush. When I'm gonna use it again, it's still dark rather than, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
I actually like that combo. I like that. Okay.
I like yours better though.
I like yours. I always stick to the same colors.
Yeah, I do that most of the time.
But you picked my color, so I just went with it.
And you picked mine.
There we go. And I actually used this. The Per bronzer and
You're not gonna dust this
lighter.
off first?
Oh no, you see my process. You can see my process. Hold on. So it looks like this. It's so pretty.
And this one retails for
It's so bright. Oh my gosh, stop it.
$34.
You know what? You can see it. You can look it up. What color is it?
Blushing Glow.
Isn't this a bronzer?
It is, but
Right.
it just has like a little
Why
bit
is
of
it blushing
shimmer.
glow?
Because I don't even put
Woo! That's a lot.
Let me do that. It doesn't even show on mine.
You didn't put a lot then.
Oh. Do you see that?
And I think the highlighter is pretty good too.
Oh yeah, the middle one. Yeah, I saw Kathleen Lights do it. Did you do your blush already?
No. I'm not sure if I'm gonna do blush.
I don't even wear blush.
I'll just try it. Do we have different ones?
We're the same.
Oh, okay. Mine looked pinkier than yours. So I was like...
Yeah. But it's pigmented though. So I'm gonna bronze my neck using my NARS bronzer. I don't even know how to pronounce this shit.
Irresistiblement.
See?
No, I think I was right. I think
Are you sure?
that was pretty good. That was pretty good. See, this is why I don't like blush, because it's just weird to me. I'm gonna use the highlight now.
Okay.
Highlight. Woo!
Is it blinding? Oh my god. So the highlight is called Afterglow. And I'm gonna
Afterglow, so what?
And I'm gonna use my Morphe M5 though.
Oh, it's so good. This is Luxy
Look.
522.
Oh my god, I have the small one.
I have that too.
From your Ipsy, right? Did you get that from Ipsy?
I'm pretty sure it was Ipsy.
I love Ipsy.
This is why I don't buy makeup stuff anymore, because I have subscription.
Yeah, that's what I did.
I don't do that. I don't buy stuff
Oh my
anymore.
god, do you see that?
My friends think I buy a lot. I don't. Unless there's a sale, then yeah, I don't buy.
Same.
I haven't been.
Oh my god. This might be my new favorite highlight.
I still like my Anastasia Glow Kits though.
I like my e.l.f. Bake highlighter. Sometimes I think my highlight is too much, so
It's never too much.
No, because I get oily.
It's never too much, like I said.
So we're gonna put on mascara. We're not gonna do lashes. So what's your mascara?
Mana Kadar Flutter Mascara Jet Black.
I'm gonna use my Tarte's mascara from the Boxycharm.
Oh wait.
You got yours.
Yeah, that's true. Too late.
So the last part, we're gonna do the lips, and we have the Galactic Beauty in the shade Posh. Posh.
I actually don't like putting on liquid lipstick.
Really?
I suck so bad. I usually have a liner, but mine is running out. Oh no, it ran out.
Oh, it smells like cake.
It smells like makeup. Probably goes with yours too. Why is yours more orange?
Isn't yours Posh?
Oh, okay. LOL. I have mine is Demure. Can I borrow your spray?
Yeah.
Mine is no more. I use water because I have no more.
Girl.
I'm on a budget, okay? Gosh. Wow, that feels so good, doesn't it?
You don't have the Cover FX? You didn't get it from your box? The Cover FX?
From what?
Boxycharm.
I only have 2.
Oh.
So I probably didn't get that one.
Why do I look Why do I look ashy?
We both saw something we didn't fix.
So, how do you guys like our final look? I went for the gold. And how about you?
I went with
the bluish tech.
The bluish and the purples.
So,
Like, comment, subscribe!
bye! Yeah. It's hot as shit.
Isn't it?
Yeah, I'm so hot.
You guys are whispering and I can still hear you.
Yeah. Ew, don't do that.
Do what? Look at your jaw. I have no jaw. I'm such a potato. Look like some doll.
Gotta blend
Yikes.
it, girl.
Excuse me. What? Humana ka? Baho ang buhok. Ako naligo. Ako naligo ka tayo. Move your brush. Again.
Excuse me, we're trying to do our outro.